Hey everybody. Um, it's been a while since I've done a live video, and I'm really excited here to be here today. I'm going to be talking about 5 alternatives to ChatGPT, and there are alternatives that you might not know about. I guess that's the point. And now I'm going. Don't get me wrong. ChatGPT is an amazing tool. It does amazing things. It's easy to use. Um, it's everywhere basically lately, and for a good reason because it's so easy. But when it comes to coding, productivity, automation, there are some other AI tools that might actually be better depending on what you need. So today, I want to introduce you to some unique AI powered tools that can seriously level up your workflow. Whether you're a developer, an entrepreneur, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI. That's what I do. I love that. And before we dive in, though, I want to make sure to hit the subscribe button, that you hit the subscribe button, and the like below the video. Now, let's jump right in. So, the first one I want to talk about is autonomous AI. And have you ever wished you had an AI that could think for itself instead of you having to type in a prompt all the time? That's exactly what this does. It remembers the past prompts, learns from them, and keeps improving without you having to micromanage it. Um, it's crazy, right? But one of the coolest things about this space is Agent GPT. Instead of typing in a new request every time, you just give it a goal and it figures out what you're trying to do. And let me show you that here in a second. I can pull it up, I think. I got too many things going. I'll find it. Don't worry. It's out there. It's not there, but I will find it. Hold on. Here we go. Agent GPT. So here it is. If I can get this to go to it, we'll be able to see it. Well, here we are. So can you see that? Probably not. So let's do this again. Well, this is kind of a new experience, so I have to apologize for my goofing around here, but we should be able to get this to work. There. I think we had it now. So this is Agent GPT. And when you first get in, it comes up like this. And this is the first time I've used it. So it allows you to configure and deploy autonomous AI agents. Now, I've actually been looking for this because I've created agents in like ChatGPT, but never something else. So here, we're going to give it going to click that button. Oh, and this is great. So now we can start out. We're going to give it a name, and then we're going to set a goal. So what are we going to name it? Well, let's pick something here. This is all screwed up, so maybe we're not going to do this part. But basically what you would do is you'd go to Code GPT, and then you'd set up a goal like build websites fast, and then Agent GPT would start thinking or planning and breaking down the steps to make that happen. I think I saw one where Elon Musk was able to use it, typed in, go to the moon or go to Mars, and it gave him outlined a whole process of how to do that. So that's pretty cool. But it looks like I don't know how to make it work. So we'll have to come back to this if that's okay. So let's come back to me, and then we can go from there, right? The next one I want to talk about is Orsha. It's for developers and entrepreneurs. This one is a game changer. Orsha is a tool that lets you build AI-powered apps ridiculously fast. It's we're talking minutes, not weeks or months, right? And just as a description, it'll generate working code for you. It's going to actually generate the code, which is amazing when you see that work. And whether you need a smart contact, a chatbot, or even a full web application, it can do that. They claim if you use ChatGPT or use GPT-4, though some users say that's a modified version of ChatGPT-3, either way, it's a super fast tool to turn ideas into reality fast. It's definitely worth checking it out. The next one we have, this is pretty interesting. It's Cody, Meet Cody AI. And then in this tool, it basically can manage a lot of information. I started to set this up, but Meet Cody is like ChatGPT, but with a twist. It learns about your specific business over time. So, for example, I used to be in an IT support business, and we could have filled it up with, trained it using the all of our help files, but then we could have added, as we went, we could have made it add what we were working on. So you can upload the documents, customer data, team processes, and it customizes a response on your company knowledge. For example, there's no need, or if you need a quick explanation of your business, ask Cody to explain what you'd like, what I do in 5 minutes, right? So if you could do that. Then next, you need help with HR, marketing, client communications, and in this case, it's going to adapt to your specific workflow. Honestly, it's like having an AI-powered team member that gets smarter the more you use it. Super cool. The next one, you actually may have heard about this one. It's Jasper AI. And okay, it's one of the most used AI tools right now. Jasper is a content creation powerhouse. It helps you write your blog posts, scripts, emails, anything you have where you need heavy lifting. You need to check it out. I personally have used Jasper to help me write a book, and done a lot of posts with it and writing better emails, because let's be honest, writing emails can be the worst thing you have to do, right? And what I love about it is you choose the tone of voice you want, and set your keywords, and even have it rewrite content to match your style, which is really cool. And it's not free, but in my opinion, it's 100% worth any investment you have in it. And it's way better than ChatGPT in these cases, right? So when you're doing these things, it's better than ChatGPT. The next tool I wanted to talk about was Literally Anything IO, and it's an AI for literally anything. This tool has the weirdest name, but it does exactly what it says, literally anything. It's a desktop-only AI that lets you build custom applications, user interface elements, productivity tools, and more and more stuff. For example, you can do this. You can create a personalized budget tracker with spending analysis, and boom, it generates the app for you. It's kind of a mix between ChatGPT and a no-code app builder, um, but with a much better user experience. If you need custom tools without coding from scratch, it's a great way to you should just try it out. And it's pretty cool. I think I have it here. You can see it, I think. Let's see here. We're going to go to it real quick. That's not it. There we go. Anything. So let's try this. It's like build a budget model. Let's see what we get. Well, it's thinking, so that's good. So here it gives a budget model. It wants to know monthly income and our expenses. So I guess it did exactly what I asked it to, but I probably would want to go to version 2. So build a budget model. Let's make it this better. How about a personalized? If I knew how to type, we'd be better off, huh? Let's see if it'll do any better this time. But it's pretty cool because it did it without me doing anything other than typing that in. Okay, here we go. So it asked my name, so it's going to personalize it for me. But it would allow me to build a model pretty quickly. So AI, it's really changing fast. There's tons and tons of tools. And if that's something you'd like, just hit me with a comment below. And I've got a list of like 400 tools that are out there that you can check out and use, and fun, just gives you some things to work with. And when you think about it, digital cameras, when they first came out, people thought it was going to destroy photography, but it didn't, right? It really made it more creative. And AI is doing the same. It's not going to replace us. It's not here to replace us. It's here to help us work smarter. So instead of replacing jobs, it's shifting how we work, allowing us to focus on the big picture thinking, creativity, problem solving, while AI handles the heavy lifting, other repetitive tasks. And that's pretty much how it goes. All right, that's it for now. Now, let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these tools? Or what are your favorite tools? And if you have one that like me to review, please put that in the chat too. And of course, hit the subscribe now button for more AI, coding, and tech videos. See you soon, and have a great day.